In today's video, I want to guide you on how to block search notification on Google Chrome. You open a website like this and you see this notification popping up, and this can be annoying. So in less than 2 minutes, guys, you are good to go. Open your Google Chrome browser like this. Come to this three dot button, click on it. Then scroll down to this place until you have access to settings. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, come to this side, the left side. Click on privacy and security. Now scroll up. Under privacy and security, scroll up until you have access to site settings. Here, click on it. Once you click on site settings, then you have different options here. Then you are to locate and click this button that says notifications. Here you can collapse unwanted requests, then click on it to expand it. Once you click on it, you have option like this. Then you can do different things here. For example, by default, any site you click that has notification, you'll be notified. Maybe there is news and all that, but I don't want, or you don't want that. All you have to do is to click on this button that says don't allow site to send notification. Once you click on that button, then you notice that something happened here. These two options button disappeared. So this tells you that you won't be able to receive notification here. Then also you can customize notification on some of the sites you have been visiting, like Claude, MS Paint, and lots more. So here is how to set notification for a specific website on this browser. For example, let's take Claude as an example. Click on these three dots again. Then you see option that says block, remove, and edit. So just click on this block. It means Claude will not be able to send you notification again on your Google Chrome browser. That's all, guys, on how to stop Google notification on your computer PC. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.